So my hood latch broke, so I gotta get vice grips in here and open it this way. I'm getting really tired of that. So we got it coming up through here. The reason it broke originally was this bolt rattled out and the cable had made this cockeyed and the cable snagged and yeah, pulled too hard and broke it. So we fixed that problem, getting a new bolt in there, but yeah, we gotta replace the cable because that piece came undone. So we'll just start by removing this. Get some slack in there. Go ahead and take this safety shroud off of here. It's kind of in my way. There we go. And these are a T25 star drive. Just grab those real quick. Oh, nice. Yeah, definitely broken. So, we'll pull that out from the other side. So it's going into this grommet here. Pull it out of there. There's the old one. See, it's all broke. We've got our new cable. Comes with the new lever, which is nice because that's usually where it breaks, and it's all one riveted piece. And yeah, just better replace the whole thing. And you can pick this up at BJ's Off-Road. They're getting more and more parts for these full-size Jeeps, and it's really nice to see. So, get into this and go from there. You know how happy it made me to find this. Even comes with a new firewall grommet. Look at that. Means we can pull the old one out. Nice. Looks like it's designed to be fished from the inside. So I'm going to remove the old firewall grommet. Has a rust happening there on my firewall. There we go. So from in here you can see the hole in the firewall that we have now that we removed that plug. And we're going to fish that cable in there. I don't know how much of that you're going to be able to see with the camera. But we're definitely going to want to fish it behind this bracket and all that. Make sure we're running from a nice straight shot to that hole. Just like the old one was. So we're going to run this through there. Hit that hole. And... okay. I'm not sure what happened here. I'm not sure if that was on purpose or this accidentally got molded to the cable. But at any rate, I gotta free that up because it's in the wrong place. Okay, well, it was easy to free up. I just had to make a couple slices right there with the knife, and now it's free. So I'm not sure what the deal was with that, but no big deal. We'll get that in there, shove that through there, and make sure this is where it needs to be. So, yep, looks like we're good on this side. we'll get the top part in where it needs to be. So we've got all this slack here. Okay, so we got that fed back through there. You want to feed this cable in there and then clamp that plastic black piece back into the holder. And so it's set up like this. Pull that plastic piece out, put it in there, and snap it there. And now we will just snug these bolts up so we can leave some adjustment there. So we're back on the inside. I'm going to try to reach that firewall grommet and get it pressed in place. Feel like it's in there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to line this back up with those original holes. And let's see if I can do that. There we go. Okay, so we got that new hood latch in there. Feels nice and smooth. The new grommet looks pretty much like the old one. We're going to get some zip ties and put that back on the hood. Go, some overkill zip ties. Okay, go ahead and put this anti-thievery plate on here. If someone really wanted it in though, I doubt that this will stop them. Okay, with the cable pretty much where it's going, I'm going to just make sure this plate is straight and that there is all the slack without moving this bar is taken up. So we don't want to move the bar but take up the slack. And sink it down right there. That should be about where it needs to go. It's latched. Like that. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click like and comment down below. Also appreciate it if you check out the channel. I'd like to mention that BJ's Off-Road is not sponsoring this video, but I found a lot of good parts on there and just want to let you guys know that have full-size Jeeps, it's a great place to find parts. Thanks again.